Welcome to the perfect e-prescription system, a powerful digital solution designed to help healthcare providers issue, manage, and track prescriptions safely and efficiently. This system enables secure communication between practitioners, patients, and pharmacies, while maintaining full traceability of every prescription issued. In this video, we'll walk through the complete process, from creating a prescription to sending it electronically to a pharmacy. Creating a new prescription. To begin, click the New Prescription button. This opens a blank prescription form where you can enter patient and medication details. You can prescribe medications from the Global Drug Database, your own custom local drug database, or directly from your pharmacy store inventory using the Global Drug Database. The Global Database connects directly to the Open FDA database, allowing you to retrieve brand names, generic names, manufacturer, details, comprehensive medication information. When you click on a selected drug, you can view dosage and administration, adverse reactions, clinical pharmacology, contraindications, dosage forms and strengths, drug interactions. All this information is supplied and continuously updated by the U.S. government, ensuring accuracy and reliability. Using your local drug database or pharmacy stock, you can also maintain your own custom drug database. If you prescribe directly from your pharmacy store, the medication price is automatically added to the patient's bill. You can also add additional services such as consultation fees. This keeps prescribing and billing fully connected. Entering prescription details. For each medication, you can enter dosage, route, frequency, duration, purpose, and number of refills. A unique prescription number is automatically generated. To assign a patient, start typing the patient's name to search existing records. If the patient is new, click the Add icon to create a new profile. Once selected, important information such as age, allergies, and medical history automatically appears to support safe prescribing. You can save the prescription at any stage and return to edit it later. Finalizing the prescription. Once everything has been reviewed, click the Finalize button. Finalizing locks the prescription to prevent further editing and activates additional actions. Print the prescription as a PDF. Email the prescription to the pharmacy or patient. Fax the prescription to the pharmacy. Send an SMS notification with pickup details. When sent digitally, a secure online link is generated so the pharmacy or patient can view the prescription instantly. The prescription status automatically updates to Sent to Pharmacy. Managing prescription refills. Refills allow patients to continue treatment without issuing a completely new prescription. To process a refill, open the Finalize prescription and go to the Refill tab. Click Refill for the selected medication. You can set the next refill reminder. The system will track refill history, send automate reminder emails to the patient, or alert you when the refill is due to. You can remind the patient if it is still valid. The refill alerts will also appear on the left side of your dashboard for daily quick visibility. Each refill entry records the user, the timestamp, medication details. This ensures controlled dispensing and full audit tracking. Managing your drug database. Use the drugs page to manage your custom medication list. From here, you can add new drugs, edit existing drugs, remove outdated entries. This keeps your prescribing database fully customizable. Reports and analytics. The Reports module provides powerful insights. You can view prescription trends over time, manage your billing and income reports and charts, identify commonly prescribed medications. These insights help improve operational efficiency and clinical oversight. Integration with patient management. The e-prescription system integrates directly with the patient management page. See all your patients from the Patients page. From there, you can click on a patient to access full medical histories, review allergies and conditions, communicate with patients via email or SMS. Within the patient profile, you'll find organized tabs including appointments, clinical notes, forms, tasks, documents, medical conditions, drug history, prescriptions, billing and payments. This creates a complete, connected patient care workflow. Patient portal access. Patients also benefit from a secure patient portal. They can view active and past prescriptions, track prescription status, make online payments, access their medical records anytime. This empowers patients and increases transparency. Supporting pharmacy systems. The Perfect e-prescription system works seamlessly with the Perfect Pharmacy Management System, third-party pharmacy software. You can fax-controlled substance prescriptions, provide secure read-only links with audit trails, send prescriptions via SMS or email, generate QR codes for instant pharmacy access. Pharmacies can scan the QR code or click a secure link to instantly view prescription details and refill counts, even if they don't use Saru Tech software. The Perfect e-prescription system eliminates manual handover of prescriptions, allowing you to securely fax a prescription or email with a secure link. Gives you access to global drug database while allowing you to maintain your own local database. Helps you manage your billing and accounting. Provides your patient with direct access to their prescription and allow you to receive payment online. Works offline, online, and across all devices. Together, the Perfect e-prescription system and the Perfect pharmacy management system create a powerful, connected healthcare ecosystem. Sign up now and start prescribing effortlessly.